got the key to work. For some reason, it says it's overheating, it's out of fuel, it has no oil pressure. What else? Trunk is ajar. It only took about a half a day of hot wiring, but I figured it out. Bye-bye. Yes. I wonder if the cruise control will work. I got scared. I heard a pop, and I'm like, oh no, my back! And I'm like, oh no, it's just some bubble wrap. We're good, we're good. That there's for our non-existent hood, our imaginary hood. Oops. Guess who's back? Back again. Oh, Westen's back. Might be hurt again. Now guys, you've probably all been wondering where the smokestack's been, because the last video on it did 2 million views on YouTube, and then it disappeared. I take back every dull movement I've ever said about this car. This is the most insane thing I have ever done. I need a walking stick. Guys, I've got 2 things I'm going with today. First thing is, I'm extremely excited to be back in the shop because, as you might know, I've been in bed for the last close to a month, and it's been torture, let me just say that. But, wait, where was I? Let me say I'm still in an immense amount of pain even standing here, but you know what? That's not gonna stop me, because everyone is excited about the smokestack. The 2 million people that watched it last time, all the new subscribers to the channel, and you know what? That is just helping us get to our goal of 1 million subscribers for the end of the year. Surprisingly, since I haven't uploaded a video in 30 days, I thought I'd be behind on that goal, but I'm not, because smokestack. And I'm my charming personality. What I'm trying to get around to saying is hit that subscribe button, and let's get into today's video. Smokestack. It's so long since I worked on the smokestack, I kind of forgot every single thing I've done to it. But the one thing I do remember is the last time we took the Deer Killer 9000 off of the front, and surprisingly, we actually made a factory Ford bumper fit on this car. Not only factory, a GT500 Ford bumper. Everybody at Ford Performance is just going to be very thrilled with us. Since the last time you've seen this car, we've done a couple awesome things to it. First things first, we had to make it look better. So we put some jewelry on the top of the engine. And then, everything we could change about the fuel system to make it bigger, we did. Bigger fuel pump, bigger delivery valves, bigger injectors, bigger donkey-powered numbers. After we did that, we decided to take it out and test it a little bit, which, I seriously blew my intercooler tube all the way off. It's laying back there in the median. As luck would have it, I just lost one of these, and lucky I found one just like it beside the road. I thought was a good idea, but we ended up breaking a couple things. We broke some mechanical stuff. That didn't stop us, because even after that, I was planning on taking this to the dyno. I was going to take it to the drag strip. I was going to try to make it to Race Week 2.0. And then me and a toolbox got in a very severe argument. My back got hurt, and I have not done anything to it. The car has been sitting here for the last month. So it's time to make up for lost times. And another thing is, my back's been hurt so bad, they actually fixed the door. Oh, hallelujah! Oh no, I spilled my drink. Did I leave a Sonic drink in here last time? Oh, I missed. No, don't even look over there. Ah, I made it! We flip that, caress this, hit this. There's nothing that I can start that just gives me that feeling. The Hand Loomer 9000!
I've been watching some of your video. You guys come a long damn ways with that.
The hell yeah. Well, thank you. I appreciate it. He's giving us good advice. Don't do burnouts down there. Do burnouts right here in front of the shop. And then just say the city said it was okay whenever the cops come. I don't think he really said that part, but I think it's kind of implied.
That's a diesel, right?
Yeah, just a little.
Man, that thing sounds so off.
We missed our car wash, but I love this car.
She's a dirty animal! Takes hours and hours to clean!
I wish it was a joke, but I'm serious. I'm strapped, and strapped, and strapped, and the salt won't come off. Please splash, I can't in a bath. I do have the box. Well, you see, that's a funny story. So Bigfoot came down to the shop earlier, and he's like, hey, I need a good box to put a present for Mrs. Bigfoot in. And he's like, you know what? Her initials are K and N, so he just took my box.
All right, I'll figure it out.
I can bring your box back here in a little bit, as soon as Bigfoot's done giving his wife a present. All it is, it's that wide. For 12 inches. Oh, yes. Perfect. It's even gonna have some chrome on it. Yeah. There we go. Okay, that's all I needed.
All right.
Thank you, guys. Hey, you happen to have a flathead screwdriver I can borrow? Borrow, I mean by like steal? Guys, we had an air filter to go on the turbo, but it would not fit behind the alternator, so we got Mr. Stubby here. It's not a temporary, it's kind of a temporary solution, but we'll fix it further down the road. Look how cute it looks. Stubby's being a little stubborn. Listen here, Stubby. Me and you's gonna have words if you don't decide to work better. Not a very good thief. I'll bring it back.
Need one of those.
As soon as you turn the camera off, I blow our boost tube off again. I did get a little bit excited there and pushed it to 50 pounds of boost and blew one of our boost tubes. So, yeah, that was my fault. This is like the most scenic repair I could ever do. Which one did we break off? What's that one? Oh, yes, it was this one here. Oh, well, that might be kind of stuck in the bumper.
Yeah, you might have. Yeah, you might have.
I think we're gonna have to weld all that together. The problem is, though, is the way the car is and the way we had to put all the boost system together. You got to come down and go all the way underneath the frame rail, then come around into the intercooler. And if you weld it all together, there's no way to get all the tubes in once you weld them together. So we might have to V-band them or something, but I didn't have any V-bands. Working out the kinks, though. Come on. Oh, that was awesome, though. I'm not even upset by blowing that off because I did get a little excited and push it to 50 pounds. And, oh, it's so violent, though. Like, when it just hooks up, it feels like it's getting ready to do a wheelie with a 1,200-pound engine in the front. Blowing off intercooler boots. It's not even like, they're not designed bad. They got flares and everything on them. They're cranked all the way down. It's just no amount of clamp can hold in the power of the smokestack. Okay, listen here. I'm not fixing my intercooler boot. I'm taking a nap. But while I was down here, I noticed it was blown off. Again. I'm not even gonna complain though, because it was really fun blowing it off. You know, I got a call from Bigfoot earlier. He said that present he gave his wife was a real hit. So, it's no secret we have a couple upgrades we needed to do. What am I saying? It's blah, 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 blah. It's no secret we got a couple upgrades we need to do to the smokestack. First things first, all of our intercooler poops, all of our intercooler pipes, there's the word I'm working for, are messed up. They won't hold together. I've blown half the clamps off. I'm not even gonna lie. It blew off on the way back to the house and I left it alongside the road. So if you guys find it.
Did it really?
Yeah, I did. Don't even look down there. Don't even mind it. It's fine. We are going to come back and improve it. By improve it, I mean we're gonna weld as much of it together as we can, V-band the rest. That way we do not have this problem in the future. But it's not really a problem. It's more of a feature really, because at 45 PSI, we ended up blowing the head gasket on the 12 valve. We haven't yet, but at 45 PSI, you're technically gonna blow the head gasket. So, it's not been a problem. It just kept us from breaking it until we get our big head studs installed, which we have, which we're going to do next time. So, we figured out all the problems we got with the smokestack, but you know what? We'll fix them. Because more than anything, I'm excited to be back. And also, while my back was hurt, I made a couple impulse buys, so there is some awesome stuff coming to the channel. And you know what? If you follow me on Instagram, you guys will get a chance to see that stuff before you guys do on YouTube. So make sure you go over there, follow me on Instagram, and you know what? I'll see you guys next time.